you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will show you guys everything that I got from Myntra, H&M and शायद कुछ Zara का भी है. Honestly all of this has been lying in my closet for so long and I thought कि अब काफ़ी सारा सामान हो गया. Let's do a collective haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and let's get started. So let's start with Myntra. So I got a lot of t-shirts from Myntra. इन websites पे ना हमेशा prices fluctuate होते रहते हैं, but a lot of stuff is still on sale, so you can check it out. The first thing is this top that I'm wearing right here. Oh my god, when I wore this like back in July, I got so many like requests and questions कि ये कहाँ से लिया. And yeah, this is from Myntra. So this comes in a lot of colors, but I loved this black the most. Obviously this one is the perfect like date night top. I really like इसका ये जो open neck है, but it is still not too deep, so I can actually wear it out. Like I'll just wear a jacket or something. यहाँ पे ना ये थोड़ा सा loose है, but it doesn't look unflattering or anything. I feel like this top fits me so good. I got this in the size small and मैंने इसके लिए पे किया है 552 rupees. इसमें extra small भी था, but that was a little too tight on my bust area, so this small fit me the best. And this is probably one of my favorite tops that I've ever got. Next top again, I've worn this before and this is what it looks like. And इसके सामने you guys can see ना, it has this knot, but it looks very flattering. पहले मुझे लगा था ये मेरे पे इतना अच्छा ना लगे, but it looks pretty cute. I really like the mustard color also. And इसके जो straps है, those are not adjustable, but मुझे अच्छे से ये fit हो गया. Again, this is a figure hugging top, but these tops look so good with like loose bottoms. इसको भी मैंने small size में खरीदा है and it is for 468 rupees, which I think is totally worth it. By the way, इसका material ना polyester है, इसका भी थोड़ा polyester सा ही है, but it's a little bit stretchable, so ठीक है. Alright, the next thing that I got is very basic and I got a t-shirt. This is an oversized striped top. मुझे honestly stripes बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. So इसमें ना horizontal stripes है and then pocket में यहाँ पे vertical stripes है. So I thought that is really cute and it also has that drop shoulder thing that I enjoy wearing so much. I feel like drop shoulder से ना मेरी body को थोड़ा सा volume मिलता है, which I really like. इसका material is so soft you guys and this is 100% cotton and वो पता चलता है because ये इतना ज़्यादा soft and comfortable है. I will be wearing it very soon. ना अभी ये सेल पे आपको मिलेगा 319 rupees का. मैंने इसको 400 something का खरीदा था and I got it in the size medium. So this is like extra oversized on me, which I don't mind. Alright, the next t-shirt that I got looks something like this. So this says self care and इसके नीचे ना ऐसे कुछ signs बने हुए हैं. So it says physical, intellectual, social, spiritual and emotional. And this is such a cute t-shirt you guys. I really like this, so I had to get this. Now this is again by Ether and मैंने इसको size small में खरीदा है. इसका भी material बहुत अच्छा है. It's like again 100% cotton and I got this for 381 rupees, but अभी भी सेल पे आपको कुछ डिस्काउंट जरूर मिल जाएगा. मैंने ना बहुत पहले खरीदा था जब वो बिग सेल चल रही थी, so I got really good prices. But Myntra पे हमेशा ही सेल चलती रहती है, so you guys will get good discounts. The next thing that I got is a night suit set. ना मुझे पता नहीं क्यों इतना शौक चढ़ गया ना ऐसे quad night suits पहनने का. So this is what the top wow. So this is what the bottom looks like. So these are like normal shorts and I really like ऐसे ये जो चेक प्रिंट नहीं है. I don't know मुझे क्या हो गया. पहले vertical and then now this. पहले मुझे लगा ये नेवी है, but it's not navy. It is black and it just looks so cool. कैमरा में भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे ना खिल के बाहर आ रहा है. And it's a very soft material, so perfect to sleep in. Especially if you are like one of those people ना जो बहुत ऐसे मोटे कपड़े नहीं पहन के सो सकता या फिर आपको बहुत ऐसे irritation होती है. So this is perfect for you. And इसका ये जो top है ना, this is what it looks like. So it's a shirt and yeah, it has that same check vibe going on and I really like this as well. You know what, I'm definitely going to wear this out because this is totally my vibe. I'm going to wear this with one of my jeans and I think it looks so cool. Now this I got for only 664 rupees and मैंने इसको small size में खरीदा था and अभी ये आपको 679 rupees का मिल जाएगा, so definitely would recommend this. Next we have H&M and I needed some clothes for like specific bottoms that I have क्योंकि ना उनके साथ मेरे जो बाकी के like t-shirts वगैरह ना वो बहुत अच्छे से जा नहीं रहे थे, so I needed like specific things for those. So the first two are very basic t-shirts, but मैंने colorful चीज़ें भी खरीदी है. So this is what the first crop top looks like. So this is your typical drop shoulder crop top and मैंने इसको ये vibrant ऐसे blue में खरीदा है. Now this I got for 399 rupees in the size small. Now इसका जो material है ना, it is quite thin, so ये ऐसे humidity गर्मी वाले weather के लिए perfect है. Then I got the same thing in black because yeah, of course I don't have enough of these, so here you go. I think I don't know what to say. Like every time I'm like ये रहा एक और ब्लैक टी शर्ट. सो या you get it. Alright, the next thing that I got from H&M, I love this so much. Like the moment I saw this, I was like, I need this in my life. So I got a quad set. Again, night suit है ये. So the top looks something like this. It has smiley faces, you guys. Like, are we kidding? So ये grey color का है and almost white है ये actually. And इसके ऊपर ऐसे pink smiley faces है. When it comes to smiley faces, I have no self control. Again, for the 100th time, I have a smiley face tattoo. Like, I feel so connected every time I see like these smiley faces, and I'm just like, I need it. Coming back to this, I was really skeptical because I have a tendency to drop food whenever I eat it. I am that clumsy. मैं अभी भी अपने कपड़ों पे खाना गिराती हूँ and मेरी मम्मी मुझे अभी तक बहुत white कपड़े नहीं लेने देती. But I have been very careful with this. So I got this in the size extra small, and you guys can see extra small is pretty freaking oversized. So आप उसके हिसाब से अपना size लेना. इसका मटेरियल भी ना थोड़ा thin cotton है, but ये जो टी शर्ट है ना इससे थोड़ा बेटर मटेरियल है इसका. एंड इसका जो शॉर्ट्स है, oh my god, the cutest shorts. Again the same smiley pattern is going on. These are just a bit longer. Usually I wear shorter shorts. मुझे ना पसंद नहीं, मेरे ना ऐसे mid length पे ना ऐसे मुझे कुछ ऐसे कपड़ा फील हो. I can't explain it. It just tingles a little. So मुझे ऐसे थोड़े short shorts पसंद है घर पे पहनने के लिए. So मैंने इसको ऊपर चढ़ा के ऐसे ऊपर से ऐसे fold कर लेती हूँ. So it just fits me really nicely. इसमें ना avocado है, popcorn है, banana है. So it has like a lot of these different variants. But of course I went with this, and this is for 1299. I do think it's a bit expensive, and honestly अगर ये कोई और print होता तो मैं नहीं खरीदती, but I really like this. Alright, the next top that I got, I'm super like excited to wear this, and this is what it looks like. It kind of gives you like a little bit of lingerie vibes, but it's not exactly that either because it's a proper crop top. ना इसका ये जो ना booby area ना, it's a little pronounced, so I thought कि it will look weird, but once I wore it, it looked very cute and flattering. इसके यहाँ पे ना छोटा सा bow. I think this is why it gives a little bit of lingerie vibe. This is like satin material and I love satin so much. Again, this is something that I can wear with my mom jeans or with all of those high-waisted trousers जो मैंने अभी खरीदे हैं ना. Oh, मैंने बताया नहीं, this I got for 999 rupees and इसको मैंने खरीदा है small में. So I think extra small मुझे और ज़्यादा अच्छे से फिट आता, but extra small इसमें था नहीं. So I just got this only and it works fine. Alright, the next top that I got, I love this so much. This is what it looks like. So this is like a geometric top क्योंकि नीचे से ना ऐसे ये triangle है. It almost like gives you bikini vibes, but it's not a bikini. It's a proper top, and I think इनको napkin tops बोलते हैं. Am I wrong? Maybe वो किसी और चीज़ को बोलते हैं. But yeah, I've seen a lot of these tops. But जितने भी मैंने देखे थे ना, वो मैं वीडियो को छोड़ के कहीं और नहीं पहन पाती. This is something that I can wear out, and it fits me so well. I really like इसका ये जो front है, इसके back में ना, you have this elastic thing, so it fits really well. I got it in the size extra small, and this is for 799 rupees. इसके जो straps है ना वो भी adjustable है, and I just thought that it's very flattering on me, and I can't wait to wear this in a video especially. And इसका material भी satin है, which is perfect. Now I've seen people charge like 2-3,000 for tops like this, so I think 799 बहुत अच्छा deal था. Alright, the next thing that I got is literally the most favorite pair of jeans I own right now. I know I still love paperback jeans. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा breakup हो गया है, but you guys, I literally found these pair of jeans and I am obsessed with these. I can't stop wearing it because these are super comfortable. मैंने इसको भी H&M से खरीदा. So these are mom jeans, and पहले ना I used to think कि mom jeans मेरे पे flattering नहीं होंगी, but I feel like mom jeans look really good on me. These are a bit snug, but at the same time they're loose enough that they're comfortable and it gives me a little bit of volume. So I got this in this black charcoal grey color, and मैंने ना इसको नीचे से ऐसे fold कर दिया है. These were not long at all. Like these fit me perfectly. ये ना खोलने के बाद भी मेरे ankle तक ही आता है. So I was really surprised कि sizing इतना on point था. I got it in the size EU32. So EU32 is my perfect waist size. It fits me like it was made for me, and it still has a little bit of room. And इसका color मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा because I don't have anything of this color. It has pockets and everything, and it is so comfortable, you guys. I can wear this all day long, and I can also sleep in this. ये इतना comfortable है. I think if you're looking for mom jeans, I would highly recommend you guys to check these one out because मैंने ना Zara पे भी mom jeans देखे जो इसके डबल प्राइस में थे, एंड and those were not as flattering. So H&M for the win for these pair of jeans. And इसमें ना blue color भी आता है जो अभी मेरे size में out of stock हो गया था, but I'm going to definitely buy those as well. Now these are for 1999 and I think it is definitely worth it. 2000 में आपको इतने अच्छी quality की jeans मिलेगी and इतनी comfortable. I am so stoked that I got this and I've been wearing them literally every time I go out. Alright, last but not the least, I did get some stuff from Zara. Now I have not been shopping at Zara that much because of late मुझे ना उनका कुछ भी सामान इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. I just bought like 4 things here and there. The first top that I got is this really pretty bright yellow top, and this is again your crop top with the drop shoulder. Now this and this H&M thing is literally the same thing, but the material like बहुत difference है. इसका जो material है ना, it has that very nice jersey material that I've talked about before and I really like it. I got it in the size small and I think this one was for 799 rupees. Totally worth it, and these go really well with my mom jeans and also like my other like paperback pants and stuff like that. उनके साथ ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. And of course I got the same thing in black because I knew कि इसका material बहुत अच्छा होगा. So I always need to stock up like all of this in black as well. ये ना थोड़ा सा dirty भी हो गया because मैं इसको इतना ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ. And the best thing about this is ना, इसका ये जो cropped length है ना, it is not like super cropped. You can wear it out easily. Alright, the next two things that I got it from Zara's kids section. So the thing is कि Zara के ना bottoms मुझे हमेशा fit नहीं आते हैं कमर से. Length wise they'll be fine. So I went to Zara का store and I checked out like the kids section का जो bottom wear है ना, मैंने वहाँ पे देखा. But उनका जो joggers वाला section है ना, उसमें मुझे ये दिख गया and I was like let me try this. So I tried this and it fit me so well. Now this is for like I think 15 to 16-year-old या फिर जो भी उनका जो सबसे बड़े बच्चे के लिए, teenagers के लिए होता है ना, ये उसके लिए है. Initially I did feel a little embarrassed because you know I'm shopping from the kids section, but then I was like this is not embarrassing. Like it's okay. I am petite and I'm small. Sometimes I don't find clothing in the women's section, but मुझे kids section में अगर मिल रहा है then you know so be it. So I got this. very cute you guys. I am so happy that I got this. इसमें ये pockets भी है दोनों साइड में and मैं इसमें ना अपना कभी कभार मास्क या फोन वगैरह रख देती हूँ. It fits me so well. It is super comfortable and इसका मटेरियल भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I got these for 1490. The next thing that I got is this. So these are paperback culottes and I really wanted these. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है and they also have a pocket. यहाँ पे भी pocket है, यहाँ पे भी pocket है. इसका and ये जो joggers का material है ना, it's almost the same and I really like this mauvish grey color. मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया ये. And again these are very good for travel या फिर अगर आप आसपास जाओ ना तो उसके लिए काफ़ी सही रहता है ये. And this I got for 1290 and Zara पे भी बच्चों के कपड़े इतने महंगे मिलते हैं. Like I was just like wow. But yeah, that is everything that I got from Zara. Again if I find links मैं description box में डाल दूंगी for you guys to check out. And yeah, that is everything that I got from Myntra, H&M and Zara. I actually really loved everything and I've been wearing it like crazy. But of course my favorite are these mom jeans and this black top. Let me know कि आपका क्या favorite है इस पूरे haul से. Comment करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना. And before I end this video, I want to tell you guys something really exciting. So I know पूजो festive season आ रहा है and even though I don't know कि कितना इस साल celebration होगा, I still wanted to do some fun videos just like that. You know, I've been just thinking about doing something on this channel. The last series type we did ना was for my birthday, so बहुत time हो गया है. So I just wanted to like post a few fun videos. So starting from 1st October till like 15th October, I will be posting 3 videos every week. And ये typical festive videos नहीं होंगे. I just wanted to post content regularly. So it will have some festive videos, but it will have some normal ऐसे fun videos भी. So I hope that you guys are excited for it. I will try to post it on Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays, but maybe 1-2 दिन ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा. But you will get 3 videos a week. I really hope that this year I am able to see 1 or 2 puja. I know it's not going to be like normal या कुछ, but I still want to go to a pandal and I want to just see and you know maybe eat something. I cannot explain it unless you're a Bengali. Puja means a lot and I thought कि अगर हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, it's okay, we can still like do things on the channel. And that is about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave a comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Yay.